You're not gonna believe what I just found at Walmart. There's so many dupes that beat Amazon and Dollar Tree. Better Homes and Gardens has some Pottery Barn dupes. This bowl is probably my favorite. It's this low bowl. It's got these cute little handles on it. It is ceramic. They also have this matching vase with the two handles. I'm not a huge fan of how they painted it, but you could always adjust that. If you can't find the Touchland hand sanitizer dupes at your Dollar Tree, you need to come over here to Walmart because they have a version. Now it's a little bit more expensive. It's $2.98, but they are larger and they come in a bunch of scents. They have raspberry mango, Brazilian coconut, sandalwood waves, lush aloe, and rainfall. Let's get a few and try them out. Now, because I own all three of these hand sanitizers, I thought I would compare them for you. So the three that I have, this is the Touchland hand sanitizer. This is gonna be your most expensive one. This is the Dollar Tree version, but it's a little bit harder to find. And then we have the Walmart version. All three of these are 1 ounce, but the prices are so different. The Touchland is between $10 and $15. This one is $1.25, and then the Walmart one is $2.98. Let's check the scents on these. This one is the Rainfall. The smell on this is a little hard to describe. It doesn't smell like I would think Rainfall would smell. It does have a perfume scent. Let's see if I like this one better. This one is the Brazilian Coconut. Okay, this one definitely smells like coconut. I think I like that scent a little bit better. I posted this deal in my Facebook group and you guys absolutely love this deal, specifically the lemon scent. This is a soap that's cheaper than Dollar Tree. It's $1 here at Walmart and you can get 4 different scents. The lemon is the most popular in our Facebook group. By the way, if you're not a member of our Facebook group, you definitely need to be following us. My Facebook group is Liz Fenwick Deals. I'll put the QR code right here. You can scan it and go join our Facebook group. You can get the soap in lemon, watermelon, coconut, and blueberry. I am so impressed with the utensils and gadgets that Pioneer Woman just put out. And of course she picked my favorite colors, blue and green. And if you look at these, the detail, the quality on these are so good. Look at this can opener with these blue roses on here. I mean, it's just so gorgeous. Even this rolling pin is so pretty. You got this dark wood handles, the green roses up here. And if you take a look at these measuring spoons, they have nice wood handles. They're stainless steel. If you like the scallop detail, I also noticed these measuring spoons and cups, so pretty. Now the thing that I really want to get is this right here. This is a utensils crock. I have one that's white, but I can't pass this up. I'm so excited to see what this looks like. It has utensils as well. I thought it was just the crock. That's cool. It looks like 5 wooden utensils. And then here is what the crock looks like. It's a matte finish. I was thinking it was going to be a little bit shinier, but I don't mind the matte finish at all. Look how nice these utensils are. They even have like a little flower inlay stamp on the end. I just spotted an Amazon dupe. This is a clip-on strainer. Now, if you've watched me on Amazon Live, and if you're not, you definitely need to be, I show this clip-on strainer all the time, but this one is by Pioneer Woman, and it's got the clips. It looks to be pretty heavy duty. The one here at Walmart is $6.47. I'll put the price of the Amazon one right here so you can see which one's cheaper. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is summer. Do you guys remember this container that I bought at Dollar Tree? They have it here at Walmart. This one's actually on clearance right now for $4.50, so a better deal. With prices going up everywhere, my job this year is going to be able to show you guys where you can get the best deal. So I'm here at Walmart, and if I see something that's a better deal than Dollar Tree, I'm definitely gonna show you guys. But here's one instance where I feel like you can get a better price at Dollar Tree. Their beverage dispensers, this one is 3.5 gallons. It's priced at $25, and these are the acrylic ones. They also have this one that's $14.88. This is a 5-gallon one. Now these are bigger, but I recently found a great acrylic beverage dispenser at Dollar Tree for just $5. It's 2 gallons. It was really well made, so I think your better option is to go with the Dollar Tree one. The scallop pillow trend is definitely still really popular. Now, my store only has one color right now. You can get this entire pillow here at Walmart for $15. Now, if you buy it online, it does come in other colors, but this pillow would be so much more expensive if you bought it on Amazon. I feel like this vase is very unique. It's blue, it's got that fluted detail, but the shape on it is just very unique. I would love to know what your opinion is on detachable cookware. Would you ever use this? Carrot has this new set and it comes with 3 different pans and pots, and the handle, you can take it off and put it on each of your pieces. You guys know I'm always stopping over here in the dinnerware, and Pioneer Woman is the one who has a new line out right now. In fact, she has 3 different lines that are out right now. This first one is this scallop look, and this is gorgeous. Of course, I like the cream one, but she has these salad plates, dinner plates. There's also bowls and these mugs. She has this other vintage line right now that looks like china. There's this green rose pattern, and then there's also this blue one. This plate has a great scallop detail to it. You can pick it up in the bowls as well, and there's just so many accessories that come with it. There's also a set of lace dinnerware. You can get it in cream and brown. And again, this one has a lot of accessories, from this gorgeous tray serving board. This bowl is really nice as well. Now, as pretty as these items are, most of the bowls and plates are between $5 and $6, which seems a little high to me. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think that price is worth it for these pieces? I'm so glad my Walmart does not have the larger pan with the cover in the blue, because I feel like I would have to get it. This is just so pretty. I don't need the smaller one, but love it. Pioneer Woman has new kitchen towels where you can get 4 of them for $11.98. This waffle knit set, I posted this in the Facebook group, and you guys also really loved this set. You have all these fun colors. I think my favorite one is this one though. You have this pretty green detail towel, also this lavender one. How gorgeous is that? And then this one has a pretty rose detail on the back, or if you like this style of dish towel, you could get this set as well. And if you're looking for any of these items, I will link them for you down below in the description box. I really am loving all of the Pioneer Woman stuff. I had to get these towels. You get 4 in the pack, so let me show them to you. These are just so adorable. I think my favorite one is the green. Dollar Tree beats Walmart on this deal. These are their collapsible baskets. I just bought mine at Dollar Tree in the plus section for $5. I'm gonna be using it as a trunk basket. I think it'll be great to store all those items that kind of roll around. But here at Walmart, they have them for $7.44, and they come in 3 different colors. You can get the lavender, the gray, or the green. The only difference with this one is it does have a handle. So if you want a handle, you'll want to get the Walmart one. Walmart is giving Pottery Barn vibes over here in the Better Homes and Gardens section. This basket right here would be so great for storage in your bathroom. Love that one. You could also pick up a wicker trash can. They have these great bowls, but my favorite down here, look at this. This outdoor tray would be so pretty. You could honestly use this on your coffee table inside. How cool would this be for your silverware? You could have all your outdoor silverware sitting in there, perfect for a party. This was actually supposed to be a wine caddy, which would be great, but I think it would be better for outdoor silverware. I'm gonna use this wicker wine caddy to display my silverware, to take it easily in and outside. So I have this silverware. I'm pretty sure this is from Walmart. I got it probably 2 years ago. I'm just gonna put them in each of the containers. Better Homes and Garden also has a summer dinnerware line. Now this section may be boring to you guys, but I come here all the time. These are all those basic candles that I find at the most affordable prices here. These are all their white candles, and they sell some pretty large ones at affordable prices. I did want to point out these because these are new to me. These are LED candles, but they look so realistic, and they already have like that burned down look, and they come in a variety of sizes. What do you guys think about these fancy matches? I mean, this bottle is so gorgeous, so it looks like home decor, but the price on it is a little steep. This bottle is $10.97. Let me know what you think. Do you think that's worth it? Everything that's old is always new again. Look what's down here. Walmart has an oil lamp right here, and they have the lamp oil. What do you guys think? Would you use this in your house? Did you know that Walmart sells their own version of a cake pop? This is gonna save you so much money versus buying them at Starbucks. Let's get them and see if they're better. So I had to go to Starbucks and get a cake pop so we could do a taste test and I could let you know if the Starbucks one is any better. This one at Starbucks, the chocolate cake pop was $3.25 compared to this entire pack where you get 8 for $5. They look very similar. I'm gonna taste both and let you know which one I think is better. Okay, my first initial reaction is they both taste very similar. Like I'm having trouble deciding which one seems to be better. Maybe I need another bite. Honestly, they taste very similar. I think I like the chocolate coating on the Starbucks one a little bit better than the icing on the Walmart one, but they're pretty comparable and you're gonna save a ton of money. If you're at Walmart and you're looking for water bottles, you wanna go to the back of the store to the camping section because they have some good deals over here. They have Arctic 30-ounce tumblers in 3 different colors. They also have the Camelback water bottles, and they have the Stanley Flip straw jug. These water bottles are built for camping, so they're gonna keep your beverages cool longer. $6 clearance rugs. I definitely wanna check these out. These are pretty good size and only $6 right now. They even have these nice patterns. Sometimes Walmart has secret clearance deals that they don't have marked yet, and that's the perfect time to pick them up. These pajamas right here, on the tag, it says $16.98. I'm gonna scan them because they're only $5. I wanna show you. So if you have the Walmart app, you can go to their scanner and just scan the price tag, and as you can see, they're $5 right now. We're out front. It is July in Kansas City, so a lot of times we don't see plants out here, but they have the succulent sitting out. These are kind of pricey at $35, but look how gorgeous this one is. And this hanging basket, I have not seen baskets like this at Walmart. Walmart has started carrying a lot of their items online. Several of the home decor items that I was hoping I could find today, they're just not here. Like I really wanted to find this wicker vase. It's only available online. So you could always order it online and I will link to it for you down below. I really wanted to find these scallop cutting boards by Pioneer Woman. They don't have those here, but I will link them for you as well. And I keep seeing so many great vases online that are high-end dupes. Let me know what you're gonna be picking up the next time you shop at Walmart. I love knowing your opinion, and make sure you subscribe because I wanna see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.